Well, with all the changes that are coming to PV panels, is it still worth it to put them up on your home? Well, Vera Wright from Bank of Hawaii with a little more insight. Vera, thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's a mad rush right now, and it's not just about being sustainable and going green. People want to save some money. Can you explain this mad rush and why people are going through this?
Well, the state realized that they were losing some revenue on the current law, and so they made some changes. Previously, you could take a credit for 35% of your costs or $5,000, whichever was less. Well, the state had previously defined a system as the number of inverters instead of the output. And so now they've changed that so that the maximum credit you can take is based on the output of the system. For residential, you have to have an output of 5 kilowatt hours. There are some other thresholds. For example, commercial, you have to have 1 megawatt, or if you're a multifamily residence, then it's 0.36 kilowatts. And you have to exceed that threshold before you can take a second $5,000 credit.
Okay, that's a lot of math. So for someone that's maybe a single family, a couple of kids, I mean, what other things do you need to take into account, and is it worth it at this point?
Well, there's still it's still an attractive credit, and there's certainly still value to doing it beyond the environmental benefit, but the credits will be less. For example, if you had been able to take a $30,000 credit in 2012, in 2013, when this law goes into place, you may be only take a $5,000 or $10,000 credit.
So that happens January 1st.
That does go into effect January 1st.
Okay, and you've been talking to a lot of people that install PVs. What have you heard? Is it still possible to get it done by the end of the year?
What I've heard is so far the end of the year it's not possible. They are very, very busy. They're backed up, and people who have tried to get it done before the end of the year, they haven't been able to get it scheduled. And one thing to keep in mind is that it's not just getting the system installed, but they have to pass inspections, and you have to coordinate with the city and county as well as the electric company to get everything put in place before year end. So it really isn't possible to do it before year end if you're not already doing the installation. But
still not too late to plan for the future. Vera Wright,
it's not.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. All the information about this complete interview on our website, hawaiinewsnow.com. You guys stick around for more. You're watching Sunrise.